What is 5S in safety engineering? 5S is a workplace organization method that originated in Japan and is often used in lean manufacturing and safety practices. It focuses on improving efficiency, reducing waste, and ensuring a safer, more organized work environment. The term 5S stands for 5 Japanese words that each represent a step in the process. Seiri, sort. Remove unnecessary items from the work area. This eliminates clutter, making it easier to find tools and equipment and reducing hazards. Seiken, set in order. Organize the remaining items to ensure everything has a place, and the tools and equipment are easily accessible. This reduces time spent searching and enhances safety by reducing potential hazards. Saiso, shine. Clean the workplace and equipment regularly to ensure everything is in proper working order. This step helps prevent accidents and maintain equipment reliability. Seiketsu, standardize. Establish standards and best practices for maintaining cleanliness and organization. Everyone should know their responsibilities for keeping the workplace safe and efficient. Shitsu, sustain. Ensure that the 5S system is maintained over time. Continuous improvement and regular audits help sustain a safe, organized work environment. When applied to safety, 5S creates a clean, organized environment where potential hazards are minimized, which reduces the risk of accidents or injuries. It helps companies foster a culture of safety by emphasizing discipline and regular improvement.